Now we discuss on the case 2. Case 2 is when the body is in uniform motion. Okay. Do you know, students, what is meaning of uniform motion? I have already discussed on this topic. In uniform motions, what is uniform motion? We have already discussed on this topic now. Uniform motion means equal distance in equal interval of time. इसका मतलब क्या है? Equal distance in equal interval of time. It means distance is gradually increasing in interval of time. Okay, dear students. Now again we draw the graph. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Again we will take distance on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. Okay, dear students. Firstly, I will tell you graph between distance and time in uniform motion. Then you can understand by this table. What is meaning of uniform motion? Equal distance in equal interval of time. Firstly, we will see time is 0 second, then distance is also 0. After 20 second, time is also 1 meter. After 40 second, distance is 2 meter. And at 60 second, time is 60 second and distance is 3 meter. Time is 80 second, distance is 4 meter. This, according to this data, you can see this 0 second में 0 मीटर डिस्टेंस, 20 सेकेंड में 1 मीटर, 40 सेकेंड में 2 मीटर, 60 सेकेंड में 3 मीटर, 80 सेकेंड में 4 मीटर. टाइम इंटरवल के बजाय कितना गैप है यहाँ पे? 20 मीटर. टाइम में कितना गैप है? 20 मीटर. यहाँ भी टाइम में गैप कितना है? 20 मीटर. एंड डिस्टेंस में कितने? 1 मीटर गैप. 1 मीटर, इट इज़ ऑल्सो 1 मीटर. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी ड्रॉ द ग्राफ. दिस इज द 0 and time is 20. This is the 40 second, 60 second, 80 second. Okay dear students, and this is a 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter and 4 meter. When 0 time, then distance is also 0. This is the first point. When time is 20, distance is 1. It means time is 20, distance is 1. 40, distance is 2. At 60, distance is 3. At 80, distance is 4. It means graph will be straight line. Okay, graph will be straight line. तो आपको एक हिंट क्या मिला? यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में स्ट्रेट लाइन मिलता है. Okay dear students, you have to write the note. Note means distance, time graph to determine the speed of the body. This is the note. Distance time graph to determine the speed of the body. Okay dear students, it means through this graph, distance and time graph, we can also find the speed of the body. Let's see how can we find the speed. This is the distance, this is the time. Okay dear students, y axis, this is the x axis. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है. सपोज यहाँ पे हम एक टाइम लेते हैं t1. इस टाइम पे कितना था? t2. यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस लेते हैं s1 एंड at this point distance is s2. In this case, velocity, it means without vector velocity is known as speed. Without direction is known as speed. Speed is also denoted by v. Okay, s2 final distance minus initial distance upon t2 minus t1. Okay dear students, Speed is the rate of change of distance. Speed is the rate of change of distance. Rate means time divided by time. Change means final distance minus initial time. Speed is equal to s2 minus s1 upon t2 minus t1. According to this graph, we have this formula. Speed is the rate of change of distance. It means rate means divided by time, and change in distance means final distance minus initial distance. Okay, dear students, and you have already know this speed formula of speed is distance traveled and time taken. Okay, dear students, now we start third case.